All right, another beautiful day, another package. Hopefully this will resolve the ESC cutting off, but it's something that I usually do when it comes to my RCs. Go ahead and upgrade the fans. Let's get into this unpackaging and throw these quick mods on here and let you guys hear the before and after. So yeah, back at the Amazon box, the original package that I showed you guys was for the 40mm fans. If you guys have an Arrma Limitless 120, it does not take 40mm fans. It takes the 35mm fans. So I had to do a return on it and then order the exact ones that I needed, which were the 35mm. And now it is almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Got off of work and yeah, time to pick this up now. And just like that. So yes, secured the bag, but before I do anything on here, gotta hit the gym. Yes, like my girl says, I am very impatient. I'm supposed to be in here working out, but I had to open this up just to make sure that it was what I ordered. Yes, finally, 35mm fans. If you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, I'll leave the link in the description below. Went with the red and black to match everything else on the car. I had the silver and black ones for my other setups, but yeah, these are gonna be nice. So 2 of them are gonna go on the heat sink, and then 1 of them I'm gonna put in the actual ESC, the one the Spectrum ESC. So put this back inside of here, get this workout over with, and get back into installing. So this is what it looks like before, and I just got the batteries inside of there. They're not strapped down or anything like that, so they're kind of looking a little ghetto, but I just plugged this in just for sound purposes so you guys can hear what it sounds like before with the ESC fan and the 2 stock fans on here. So when you power it on, this is what it sounds like. Now the fans are on, but you can hear them a little bit more. So once it's fully started, this is what it sounds like. Now we're gonna cut all this off. Gonna go ahead and cut this zip tie off, undo the shrink tube right here, because it's can join from 4 wires and it runs to a dual wire over here where the ESC is at. So all the fans are uninstalled from the ESC and the heat sink right here. So in order to get this off, you need to take out the 4 screws that are 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. You're not gonna uninstall this right here just because it's hardwired up. So it just pull it up enough to give it, it's kind of difficult for me to do with one hand, but pull it up enough to where it gives you just enough slack to lift that up. And then this will pivot up enough for you to get the actual factory fan out from the ESC. And on the factory fan, it's gonna come with like a little gasket. You can use it if you're gonna use the metal one. I'm gonna try and see if it fits on there. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna trash it and do away with that. Or try to think of something else to use. But if you can, carefully pull this off. It's very fragile. Mine kind of got thin on one part. But yeah, I'm still gonna try to use it to put back on there just to kind of keep things factory with the aftermarket stuff I'm putting on here. You're gonna take off the billet plugs right here, or the bullet plugs from the ESC. It's connecting from the motor to the ESC. You're gonna unplug those, undo the 4 screws, pull this up enough to give you slack, and pivot it back. And that's basically it for that. It's not too difficult. Car is a little dusty, needs some cleaning because this thing is dusty. But it's gonna get even more dusty when I smoke these tires all the way and put on the new ones that I got. So when you purchase these fans, it comes with a JST plug attached to it. If I could show you guys if it doesn't get blurry, but it probably will. But it's a JST plug. And of course, inside of the ESC, it needs a JR male to go into this female part. So I had these on Amazon a long time ago with my other setups, but these are JST males right here. And this is a JST female to a JR plug male. So what I'll go ahead and do is on these fans, I'm just gonna cut them halfway, cut the wire them all together, hook them up basically to this. That way this can plug straight into here and this plugs straight into the ESC. Make it a lot easier, so if something happens I have to disconnect it and change out the fans, I can just easy disconnect from here instead of just having it hardwired straight to this. You know, it just makes it easier. But yeah, this is the items you'll need. I'll go ahead and link this as well in the description below. You guys need that to make this all work. So you'll need a JR male to a JST female, then a JST male, then to the actual wires right here. Cut your fans, wire them up, and should be good to go. I am sleepy. But if you guys are wondering which one is the positive or the negative whenever you get your fans, go ahead and plug it into the female end of it before you actually splice anything, because I was just about to do that. But there's only one way for it to go in. So if you flip it and it doesn't go in, turn it around, flip it. Once it's plugged in, clearly able to see that this top one's positive. You just follow it on here, this is positive. So go ahead and snip one of the wires, connect them. Once you get all of them hooked up, then go ahead and do the negative. So do the positive first, then do the negative. Make it a lot easier on yourself so you don't end up cross wiring something and then frying your ESC or your battery. Probably looks like a bunch of spaghetti noodles, but I have all the positives hooked up and all the negatives hooked up together. So use a shrink tube and have it down to the JST plug. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this shrink tube, shrink it down and mend them both together. That way I just don't have a lot of spaghetti noodles on here, just to kind of tidy it up a little bit. All right, got everything installed on there. The fans, both fans on the heatsink are installed, as well as the ESC. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you probably can. And then also, I know it has the sticker for Arrma on here, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my Diverse Official on there. So that's gonna come off, that's gonna go on. All right, moment of truth. Have the batteries hooked up, have the fans and everything installed. I just put this Velcro strip right here just to hold this cord so it's not jagging around or getting caught up in the servo. But let's hear how it sounds now with these new fans. I can already feel a lot more air on here, as well as the ESC. A lot better. But yeah, these fans are really, really loud and they're very powerful. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to go ahead and cop it. But it's your boy Diverse Official. I'm out. I need to get some sleep. Go ahead and pick these up. You can pick them up in the red and black, the silver and black, blue and black, orange and black. Has different varieties of colors. So yeah, click the link below in the description and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Almost forgot. Finally finished the Diverse Official. Gotta clean everything up, but everything's done. Now, see you guys in the next one.
It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on.